Well, a very good morning to all my viewers. Hi, Daniel. Hi, Eddie. We were, listen to the were, supposed to be in Porto today, but the captain already made an announcement that because of high seas and bad weather, we cannot get into Porto. For me, no problem, because I'm going to give you a spoilers alert. After this particular cruise here on Viking Saturn, I am going to be in an AMA Waterways, Portugal, on the Douro, and I will have plenty of time to see Porto, but for everybody else it's disappointing because Porto is a great destination. Anyhow, I was telling Merle that I hope it doesn't happen, but on every single cruise I've ever taken, a port is aborted. And if the captain gets on the system before 9 o'clock in the morning, you know it's not good news. So tomorrow is Falmouth. We'll see what the weather is like there, but it's supposed to be just a bus drive tour. The problem is, of course, getting into the ports. Ta-ta for now. And this is what today looks like. It's supposed to get sunny this afternoon. I want to show you on the map exactly why the ships cannot get in. You see there's this narrow little inlet to get into the docks, and it's way too dangerous. As the captain said, safety is always our first concern. Cromola, now that Porto is eliminated today, we have 3 straight days at sea. And you all know how I love days at sea. Right, Jeff? Right, David Mack? Boo!